Hey Colony, Ali here, and I'm coming at you today with some October updates. And you know what October has in store for us?
Halloween, baby. Don't miss the B-Nail sale starting Thursday, October 31st through Sunday, November 3rd. You don't want to miss it.
You heard it from Batman himself. Halloween weekend is the B-Nails Halloween sale, and you don't want to miss it because there's going to be some new product releases coming out. And speaking of sales, I'm excited to announce that we have heard you, the Colony, and because of your feedback, have decided to move the Infinity Nail and the Ceramic Nail to the back burner page, which will be heavily discounted and discontinued. So after those are gone, be ready for a new nail as well. So head on over to the back burner page, click the link below and get access to exclusive deals just for you. And last but not least, guys, we have some new October releases coming out, including some Halloween themed B-Nails wraps. We know how much you guys love Halloween, so do we. What I'm most excited for is our smallest, sleekest vaporizer in B-Nails history, the Stinger, which is specifically made to work with cartridge technology. And we have a new cartridge technology that is a reusable cartridge that you can reload with any of your favorite waxes. You're gonna love this. The Stinger comes out early November, but we're gonna be starting pre-sales this month, so check out the link below for more information. And guys, remember, we just launched our Refer Your Store program. Earn yourself 100 B-Bucks, no more shipping times, no more wait times. Have B-Nails products at your favorite store that you already shop at. Check out the link below and just forward it to your favorite store. So remember guys, we got the Halloween sale coming. We have the Refer Your Store program, new product releases, and new additions to the back burner page. Those are the October updates. Please subscribe, like, share, give us your feedback, because as you can see, we're making moves based on Colony feedback. Thank you for being a part of the Colony, and remember, be your best. And happy Halloween from us at B-Nails.